Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mustika Baharsha, with number NIM 1707 20041, majoring in business education 2000, 2020. Here I will present a seminar proposal. I want present is thesis research proposal with the title The Influence of Work Environment and Work Motivation on Employer Performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area. And here I will and I also have two mentor. Name is Mrs. Dita Purwita dan Mrs. Daru Putri Kusumaning Tias. Next, here there are the three tables of contents. Is bab 1, bab 2, and bab 3. Next, introduction. Background of the problem. Based on the result of the author's interview with employees in the WEE Supervisory Department on behalf of Mr. May Suhendar at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch, the problem that occur in employee performance are A. There are still employees who are not disciplined. Employees who are not disciplined can be seen from often coming to work late. And there are even employees who falsify their attendance data. B. Decreased productivity. The decline in productivity can be seen from the excessively heavy workload given to employees, which causes employees to feel tired at work. Next, based on the result of the author interview with the WEE sales employee on behalf of Mr. Sona at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch. The problem related to the work environment are A. The layout is less comfortable because there are not partition between one division and another, so that all conversation between employees are easily heard. B. There are employees who listen to music too loud or music that is not compatible with other employees. There will be disturbing the focus of other workers. Next. Based on the result of the author's interview with Mr. Ivan Cahyadi as the main director at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch, the problem that occur with employee work motivation are A. Lack of communication, usually caused by superiors who are of a very different generation from the workers. B. Lack of flexibility in the workplace. A rigid workplace is not suitable for younger generation workers. This causes them to only work to complete tasks. Next, formulation of the problem. Number 1, does the work environment have a significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta? Number 2, does work motivation have a significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta? Next, purpose and objective. Number 1, to analyze the influence of the work environment on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta. Number 2, to analyze the influence of work motivation on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta. Next, benefits of research. For researchers, to broaden and deepen insight in the field of human resource management, especially regarding the work environment, work motivation, and employee performance. For companies, can provide benefit from the company in creating the desired work environment and provide motivation to employees. PTHM Sampurnati BK throughout DKI Jakarta so that the organization goals can be achieved. For other parties, can provide information and additional references for further research as well as consideration for companies facing similar problems. Next, literature review. Variable variable Y from the opinions of the expert above, it can be concluded that employee performance is the result of employee work seen in terms of quality, quantity, processing time, cooperation, and suitability of final result, which can be assessed or evaluated based on indicator or goals that have been previously set to ensure strategies and goals organization can achieve well. Variable X1 from the opinions of experts, it can be concluded that the work environment is everything that is around the employee while working, both physical and not physical, non-physical, which can influence the employee while working. If the work environment is conducive, then employees can be safe and comfortable, and in the work environment is not supportive, then employees cannot be safe and comfortable. Variable X2, from the opinions of the expert above, it can be concluded that work motivation is a mental attitude created both from within oneself and external factor that makes a person behave enthusiastically, diligently, and sincerely to carry out an activity such as work as well as possible to achieve specific goals or organizational goals in general. Next, relevant research. Number one is Desi Mariani, Tito Irwanto, Yanto Effendi, 2023, The Influence of the Work Environment and Motivation on Employee Performance at the Communication, Information, and Statistics Service of Bengkulu Province. Number two, Yayan January 2019, Analysis of the effect of work motivation and work environment on employee performance. Number three, Hari Supriyanto, 2018, The Influence of Work Motivation and Work Environment on Employees' Performance of LPP Radio Republik Indonesia Malang Station Employees. Number four, Swanto, 2017. The influence of work environment and work motivation on employee performance at PT Valdo International Central Jakarta. And last, Endang Sugerti, 2021. The influence of training, work environment, and career development of work motivation that has an impact on employee performance at PT Suryamas Elsindo Primatama in West Jakarta. Next, hypothesis. H1 is the work environment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta. H2 work motivation has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta. Next, research methodology. research design. I have here. I use quantitative research using survey methods, and all employees of PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta, a population of uh, 3,085 people, and then the sample use was 1,096 people, and then the questionnaire was in the form of Google Form, which was distribute to each branch of PTHM Sampurna TBK throughout DKI Jakarta, and analyzed with statistical data analysis using the SPSS 25 application. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.